Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inshallah, today we're going to go through the different levels of Qalqalah. In some books, you may come across two categories only, which is the lesser and greater, and the greater category will include the greatest Qalqalah. And in some books, you'll have three different categories, as you see on your screen. In the lesser Qalqalah, we'll start off with that category. And just before I go on to explain the first category, if you do not know what Qalqalah is, and you do not know the different letters of Qalqalah, then I would suggest to go on to our YouTube channel, and watch the video on Qalqalah. So Qalqalah is basically vibration, and it will tell you or explain in quite a lot of detail what is Qalqalah and how to apply it and what letters to apply it on. So that's the first thing. So if you already know what Qalqalah is, then alhamdulillah, that's great, we can continue. So lesser Qalqalah means the lesser vibration, and you apply that on a letter which comes in the middle of a word or between two words. It is applied when continuing reading and not stopping on it, because if you do stop on it, then it becomes the greater Qalqalah. So we want to continue reading, and this Qalqalah, this letter of Qalqalah, it either comes in one word, which is in the middle. So just as in this word and in this word, because the Qalqalah here, one of the letters is Jim, one of the letters is Ba, and as you can see, it comes in the middle of a word. Now, it can also come in between two words as stated in this category, and that is here. So you have the Ba, which is the letter of Qalqalah. So yanqalib ilayka, yanqalib. I'm making Qalqalah, but it's not so strong. For example, tajri, habalum, okay, habal. I'm making Qalqalah, but it's not too strong. We then go on to the second category, which is the greater Qalqalah. Now, you apply Qalqalah on a letter that comes at the end. So we are stopping on it. So it may be that the letter doesn't have a score, but we are presenting it with a score. So we are stopping on it. When you stop on it, you present a letter with a score. So if I'm stopping on this letter, and one of the letters of Qalqalah is Dal, so I'll say al-balad, al-balad. It is more stronger than yanqalib, tajri, habalum, al-balad. Okay, it's balad, it's more stronger. Then you go to the greater Qalqalah. The greater Qalqalah is a letter that has a shadda on it. So it is a letter and it's mushadda. Mushadda means a letter with a shadda on it. And a shadda is basically this sign here, which looks a little bit like a W in the English alphabet. So how are we going to apply the greatest Qalqalah? We're going to say watab, watab. Now, it does appear as I'm putting a fatha, I'm saying watabba, but it's not. You do not put a fatha on your Qalqalah letter. And this is really, really important point to remember. When you're making Qalqalah on a letter with a shadda on it, you've got to be very careful about not putting a vowel on it, because there's vibration, you collide and then you release, so there should be separation. So watabba, watabba, watabba. So it's because there's a double ba, I have to say watabba, but it's not watabba. So a lot of people think I'm saying watabba, but no, I'm saying watabba. Okay, so watabba, watabba, al-balad, al-balad, yanqalib, tajri, habalum. So these are the three different levels. Inshallah, there's no other a tip that I can give you apart from that. You will learn it over time and with lots of experience and practice. So if you don't know how much of Qalqalah to apply, what should be the timing, there isn't a real answer to that I can give you. There isn't really any timing apart from the fact that you should listen to experienced readers, you should listen to the shuyukhs and really understand the difference in the levels of Qalqalah in the way that they read, inshallah. I hope that you found this beneficial. Jazakumullah khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.